All right, folks, welcome back. This is lesson 8.3.2 from the CPM geometry textbook. Today we're talking about area and circumference of a circle. I'm going to start by, let's draw a circle here. Let's go ahead and sketch one out. Boom, there's my circle. And I'm going to go ahead and annotate this just a little bit. Let's go ahead and draw that distance right there. We call that the radius. And if I were to look at the entire length across the circle, we would call that the diameter. That means the diameter is 2 times the radius. So I will tell you right now, the number one problem students make when doing circle problems is confusing these two dimensions. If the problem gives you diameter but you need radius, you better cut it in half. If a problem gives you radius and you need diameter, you better double it. Okay, so where are we going to go in this lesson? Let's first just tell you, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The formula for the area of a circle is pi times radius squared. And the formula for the circumference of a circle is 2 times pi times radius. Or, since I have 2 times r there, I could write that as pi times diameter. Okay, so those are the formulas for those two quantities, area and circumference of a circle. But it's going to take me a while to get there, and I'll tell you why. Because your textbook likes to take a ratio approach to developing these two formulas. And if you recall, something we've learned in a previous lesson is this. The perimeter ratio is equal to the scale factor between two similar figures. The area ratio is equal to the scale factor squared. And we're going to use these ideas in the development for the formula of the area and circumference of a circle. Last thing I want to remind you about, in the last lesson, we looked at the area and circumference of a circle when the radius was 1. So if we, no, not 0, hold the phone. 1. So if we have a circle, and that circle has a radius of 1 unit, what we showed in the last lesson was that that area was equal to pi square units, and the circumference was equal to 2 pi square units. And that is a preview of what you're going to need to be successful in this lesson 8.3.2.